साहेब मजा करायची
See, today we had a function basically to give the sanad as far as Bhajegar is concerned. I think last week or some days back, it was the same function was held as far as South Goa is concerned. I appeal to the people who have still not basically filled the form to take this opportunity and this it is because it is important for them to get themselves as far as the scheme is concerned. And this, as CM has announced that there will be another thing as far as the flat scheme is concerned. The flat scheme is not a flat scheme in the sense. There are many builders basically they used to do they should not do sale deal. They should just do agreement for sale and keep that. Because no one would know what would happen afterwards with that. Because those very builders could have even mortgaged their property. So it is very important. It is that same decision today to see that they get their ownership right.
Few people have
काशीनाथ शेट्टीन कोर्टान गेलाय मजा
no
करायची
impact on the market.
See, as far as legality is concerned, I think we are basically on a solid wicket. But our lawyers basically will fight to 10 nil in the court. Rest it is for court.
Is there any data you have? How many more people have been approached for the Bhajegar?
For Bhajegar, there are many people. It is continuous process. That's the reason it's been extended. Now it has been extended for another 1 year's time. So that is the reason I'm saying I appeal to the people basically to come forward and seize of this opportunity.
Till now, how many data you have?
I don't have the data right now, but I can give it. Okay, thank you. Thank you.